Hi guys, welcome to this Remitly money transfer tutorial. In this video you're gonna learn how to use Remitly, so we're gonna start right now. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is download Remitly and create an account. Once you've done this and you've logged in, you're gonna have this panel which I have, and you're gonna go here on the left top corner of the screen, and you're gonna click on the flag that you're seeing. So I'm gonna click on the flag and I'm gonna just select the option of USA because that's the country I want to send money to. So then I'm just gonna click get started. Once I've done this, I'm gonna put the amount of money I want to send, and as you can see, I want to send 20 euros, and I'm seeing that it's translated to $21.46. So once you've done this, if you have an offer code, you are gonna click on the option of apply an offer code. So I don't have an offer code, but if someone has, I'm gonna do this step for them. So I'm gonna click on apply an offer code, and then I'm gonna write my offer code and then click on apply offer. It's really simple. But that's not my case, so I'm not going to do this step, and I'm gonna click directly to continue. Okay, then we have to choose the delivery method. We have two options, bank deposit or cash pickup. So in my case, I'm going to choose bank deposit. Then I'm going to choose the recipient's bank, or otherwise I can also click on this option, choose another bank and searching it. But I'm going to choose Bank of America, so I'm not going to do this step. Okay, once I've done this, I just have to put the recipient bank details, because Remitly is asking me to do that. So I'm going to put the recipient bank details, and after this, it's really simple to follow, because you just have to follow the instructions that Remitly is giving you. So it's really simple from here. So I hope this was helpful, and have a nice day.